Good morning. Maruti Parivar ka namaskar. Today we are going to see goal setting. Goal means क्या हो, आपका लक्ष्य क्या है? How we are going to achieve the goal? How we can achieve the goal? We are going to look into it. So what he says, goals are dreams. पहले वो स्वप्न है ना. If we have that swapna, then only we can achieve goal. Without swapna, we cannot have lakshya. So what do they say? That swapna putting into action, yojna karna plan, kitna samay mein we have to achieve something. Kitna samay mein we have to go how far. So the plan can give everything when we are to setting our goals. If we have to set our goals, pehle we should have immediate goal. What is that immediate goal? For next 3 months, next 6 months, 3 महीने के 6 महीने को हम क्या बनाना, अब क्या बनना, अब योजना करना. How we can achieve that goal? So that we should have. Then later we can have short-term goal. Short-term goal can be for 1 year or can be 2 years or 3 years. In short-term goal we can finish. If suppose we are all workers, we want to become an engineer or a manager, we want to study a graduate, BE engineering. So what we will do, we have to join a college, we will look into a college, that we can have immediate plan. In short term plan, we can get into admission to a college for evening college or BE or something. Then by 5 years, middle term goal can be set. आपका लक्ष्य क्या है, वो मिडिल टर्म गोल 5 years में we can बनाए, वो बनाना हमको, we can achieve that within 5 years. So if you have a long term goal by 20 years, अच्छा घर बनाना हमको, so that will take, or some people it is possible within 5 years, or some people it will take 10 years or 15 years, शादी आई बेटी को. So we have so many other plans getting into this. So we have to see which slot, whether it comes into short term goal or middle term goal, or it comes to long term goal. So एक बार क्या होगा, in 2008 our India wanted to send a probe Chandrayaan-1 to land on the moon. So it had asked NDTV people all to send some slogan. सब लिखे, they wanted to send it to NDTV. So millions of slogans had come, but एक आदमी, Surendranath Singh from Chandigarh, wrote like this: no dream is too big. Whatever may be swapna, वो बहुत बड़ा नहीं है. Anybody can dream anything. Look at it. In 1967, America first sent its Apollo 9 to land on the moon. At that time, India, no, 100 years होना India को reach करने को. But any dream can achieve. That is what is our plan. So within 2008, within 40 years, we could get into moon. Look at it. That fellow has received the first prize, and he was present in Sriharikota to see the, our rocket, how it is going to land on the moon. At that time, he was present over there, and he got an award. So everyone should have some sapna. It is also written in Tamil poet 2000 पहले. He has written, every आदमी who was born on this जिंदगी में should have some swapna, some goal. Otherwise it is mere waste. Look at the animals. Animals को क्या आता है, उनका सिर इधर है, body इधर ही है. So उनको, that जानवर, look at the animal, how it is जानवर. So her head is here, body is there, same level. Their thinking also will be same level. But भगवान कैसा हम create किया? भगवान एक आदमी को, he has created the head on top, सिर on top, then body on down, such that he can have his याद, मन में रखने को, he can think and he can plan. That is what a man can achieve. If for animals, they will, what is their work? Only खाना पीना सोना. But man, it is not like that. We in जिंदगी में, दुनिया में, we should achieve something in our life. Oh yeah, he has achieved, our India has achieved. No dream is too big. It can land a probe on the moon. So when we have to achieve this goal, we should have some smart goals. बुद्धिमान का वो लक्ष्य है, स्मार्ट गोल्स. क्या है स्मार्ट गोल में? पहले स्पेसिफिक होना. स्पेसिफिक कहते क्या? वो विशिष्टता, व्हाट यू वांट टू बी. एक दिन 50 साल का पहले एक आदमी ही वॉज पुटिंग पेट्रोल इन ए पेट्रोल बंक इन दुबई. उनके एक सपना आ गया, आई शुड बी ओनिंग बहुत बड़ा पेट्रोल को ओनर, मालिक होना. उन्हें क्या किया? I mean, he has arranged lot of money, came back to India. बाद में what did he did? He has opened a big petrol bunk. पहले he started giving all ladies langa item, that is this and all, choli item. In cycle he used to go घर घर को जाकर he used to sell. But और एक सपना उनका आएगा, I should also own industry, a garment factory, a textile industry. वही आया. वो आदमी का नाम धीरूभाई अंबानी. Today he started one Vimal shooting, he started one Vimal Industries, he started one Reliance Petroleum. So क्या होगा? उनका लड़का number 1 richest person in India. 25 years back in 1982, 4 young engineers had a plan. We should start one subcontract. We should some software company. So they decided, the leader and other people decided, each आदमी 10,000 देना. Oh, leader का पास that 10,000 rupees was not there. So he went and asked his wife to keep all the jewels. Oh, Sona, लिखने को he had kept in a shop and took that money. Then he said, see my 10,000 here. They started that industry in 1982. Today 2014. उनका बेटी का शेयर वैल्यू कितना है मालूम? 16,000 crore. 16,000 crore को ओनर होगा. So एक सपना, how that achieve, how they are achieved. ये खाली आदमी उनका पास पैसा नहीं है, अब क्या है सारे. एक कार कंपनी in 1972, they just planned how we had to do. एक आदमी, he was called as Machli. He was there in working in a cycle shop. उनका 4 साल का, he was just 4-year boy. He started working in a cycle shop. He was very thin, dark, like a dark Chukke Machli. People used to call him as Chukke Machli. Hey Chukke, idhar how cycle there. So that boy was working up to 10, 12 years, 16 years hoga. Unka age. By then his father got retired in a small scale industry. He told his Malik, sir, mera beta ko ek kaam de do sir, I am getting retired, I am going home. वो समय मालिक को बुला कर आओ उनको. Next day, he brought his son. He told, are you willing to work here? Yes, sir. Then tomorrow morning you should be here at 8 o'clock. 8 baje ko idhar aana. But that boy had come at 7 o'clock itself. Then he stayed up to evening 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock he stayed. उनका मालिक बोला घर जाओ, काम खत्म होगा. नहीं नहीं सर, ये मेरा मंदिर है, so इसमें हम काम करते हैं. He waited up to night 9 o'clock till that lock could be put into that garage room, that small scale industry. He waited there. Then he go. Every day this happened. He learned. He has shown interest. He has shown interest. Learned all the machines, how to work on machines. Then he shown interest how to read the drawing. Then he shown interest how to manufacture. Machine problems he will attend. Maintenance का मालूम है, manufacture का मालूम है, plan करने को मालूम है. So he become a malik, he become a head over there, manager over there. 5 साल के बाद में उनका मालिक, I am going to start a new industry. You are going to be in charge. He went there. He started running successfully for 2-3 years. Then he said, अब वो शादी का time होगा, I'll get you married. उनका मालिक, he got him married to a nice girl. Not only marriage, नया घर बना को दिया उनको. बाद में और 10 साल होगा, उन्हें जाकर पूछा था, सर एक सपना है मेरा पास. क्या हो? सर, I want to become start one industry. शुरू करो, I will give order to you. He went and started. Today in Pina small scale industries, he is owning 3 industries. उनका पास 800 आदमी काम करता है. उनका पास 800 people. ये उसका मछली was working in a cycle shop. आज का उन्हें ओनर है, उनका नाम पॉल राज है. उन्हें पीने वाला है, 3 इंडस्ट्री है, 800 people. So be specific. क्या बनना है? What we wanted to go. And in this be specific means, suppose you want to become a doctor, you cannot study a BCom or BA and become doctor. You should be MBBS, you should study. Hey, एक बार क्या होगा, मेरा last son who came there to me and asked, Dad, I want to see, you have spoiled my dream. मेरा सपना आप spoil किया था. You and mother have spoiled my dream. क्या हो गया? उनका पास ये बड़ा newspaper है. See, I want to become a pilot. You never allowed me. I said, हमको कैसा मालूम है? अब नहीं, एक बार भी हमको नहीं बोला ना आप. No. From bachman time I had a dream. I want to become a pilot. Come on. Tomorrow we'll go to that Australian fellow who was there in the 5-star hotel. Next day, I took duty to my work. So I went there along with my son, my wife, we went it. वो आदमी आश्चर्य ना आओ अंदर बैठो, काफी पियो, वो पियो, वो खायो, सब बोलता है. बाद में क्या करना? सर, इज बीकॉम विद बी, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, खाली 40 लाख दे दो, 6 महीने को 300 आवर्स फ्लाइंग टाइम ट्रेनिंग दे दो. बाद में कैसा किधर है? वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. Then he told her how we can stay. और 40 लाख दे दो, you'll get a nice hostel, food, everything milta hai. So 80 lakhs he give, we'll have a 300 years, he can have a try. Okay, that my boy was very happy. हम घर खा गया. एक योजना गया मेरा, क्या वो, I had some thinking. So याद में आ गया, वो मेरा पुराना दोस्त है ना, उन्हें he was a pilot. So we planned and went to his house. He welcomed us. Come, Baita, what is that? See, my son has finished his BCom MBA. He wanted to become a pilot. BCom MBA? No, sir. In India, we cannot become a pilot at all. He should have minimum studied mathematics or science. Mathematics and science, both are important. Without mathematics, science, no Atmi can become a pilot in India. This is a very big shock for me as well as my son. Immediately, very next day, we went to that 5-star hotel. We went and met that fellow. So we told him, sir, in India, this is not chahiye, sir. He cannot become a pilot. He won't be permitted, sir. Ne bola tha, sir, Australia mein he can be a pilot. In Europe mein he can be pilot. BCom can be there. And kitna hours pilot training hona, sir? 1,000. How we are giving only 300 hours. How I can give 500 hours? 1,000 hours. कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं सर. और 6 महीने और एक 6 महीने 40 lakhs पे डालो, स्टेइंग को 40 lakhs दे डालो, 1,000 आवर ट्रेनिंग होता है, उनको पायलट, परमानेंट पायलट आता है, अच्छा पैसा मिलता है. ऐसे 2 साल का बाद उन्हें पायलट आता है. वो समय में सब बदलावन आता है. इंडिया में क्या आता है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में क्या आता है मालूम नहीं. एक दिन को उनको बेच डालता है. सब इंडियंस गो बैक टू इंडिया फ्रॉम ऑस्ट्रेलिया. If he comes to India, will that certificate will hold good? I got 1,000 hours. He is not having basic mathematics and science. उसके लिए क्या लिखा है? Specific विशिष्टता. आपका विशिष्टता क्या हो? What बनना है? वो you should read. If I wanted to go to Kanyakumari from Bangalore, I cannot go through north. North हमको दिल्ली मिलता है, not Kanyakumari मिलता है, नहीं है. If I had to go to Delhi, I had to go in the way of north. So बाद में it should be measurable, नाप सकने वाला. What it had to be, how it had to be. चुपके MBBS बुक पढ़ने के बाद मैं फ्रांसिस MBBS डॉक्टर है नहीं है. उन्हें we should go to the college and finish MBBS training for 5 years we had to study. Then only I can become a doctor. So similarly, if you want to become an engineer, you should go through a BE or at least diploma engineer DME. I am an engineer, cannot say I got 20 साल का experience है, I am an engineer. No, it should be measurable. In what way you have become an engineer, in what way you have become a doctor, in what way you have become a scientist. And achievable, it should be प्राप्त करने वाला, it should be प्राप्त करने वाला, it should be achievable. Or it should be realistic. हमको एक सपना है, मैं मिस्टर यूनिवर्स आना. डेली 100 अंडा खाता हूँ, 10 लीटर मिल्क पीता हूँ. बाद में हमको कैन आई बिकम मिस्टर यूनिवर्स? आई एम ईटिंग 100 eggs and 10 लीटर मिल्क? नहीं. I should have started my योजना करना. I should have started from बचपन. I should have started from 3 years, 2 years. एक दिन क्या होगा? मेरा son was coming 4 साल का पहले. My son was coming from Hyderabad to Bangalore in the train. वो कंपार्टमेंट में एक दादी माँ है, एक स्त्री है, उनका 35 ईयर्स ओल्ड स्त्री, एक तीन साल का बेटा बच्चा है उधर, सब बचपन है उन्हें. he used to come and tell my son, uncle I'm going to become a pilot, uncle I'm going to become a pilot. My son also, oh very good, nice. ना बोला था, uncle I'm going to moon, I'm going to Mars. Okay, very good. बाद में 15 मिनट के बाद वो स्त्री बाहर गया, वो दादी माँ गया, मेरा बेटा प्लीज डोंट थिंक एनीथिंग. उनका डैडी लास्ट वीक he has met with an accident near show in Hyderabad, उन्हें मर गया. This boy doesn't know that his boy is dead, but he was a pilot. So उसके लिए उन्हें right from 6 months he used to tell, you will become a pilot, you will go to moon, you will go to Mars. उनका मन में ऐसा ये रखा है, उनका मन में वो अच्छा लिखने का आ गया, I am going to become a pilot, I am going to be there. So he always says, whomever he meets, I am going to pilot, I am going there, I am going here. Please don't. My son broke down. Look, बचपन से. But पुराना जमाना में 40-50 साल का पहले क्या हुआ था, ये अम्मा को पूछा, आपका सन क्या बना है सर? माँ नहीं, उनके क्या मालूम है, उनका सिर में क्या लिखा है वो आता है. आपका डॉक्टर क्या आता है, उनके सिर में क्या बना है, उनका शादी होता है. टुडे आज का पूछा, आज का इंडिया में कौन सा अम्मा को पूछो, आपका सन क्या, उन्हें गोइंग टू बी इंजीनियर, उन्हें गोइंग टू बी डॉक्टर, उन्हें गोइंग टू बी पायलट, उन्हें गोइंग टू बी एडवोकेट, ऐसा लिखता है. मारुति परिवार, प्लीज थिंक, यू शुड अचीव सम गोल, यू शुड हैव सम गोल, यू शुड हैव सम लक्ष्य. आपका दुनिया में जिंदगी में एक लक्ष्य होना, एक लक्ष्य होना, वी शुड अचीव. एक तमिल पोइट ऐसा लिखा है, in this world you are to be born, you should have achieved something, otherwise you should not be born into the world. और जानवर के देखो, उन खाना पीने सोना हो ये है उनको, but we as a man, we should achieve. Now we have got a good job in Maruti, famous company. In 1980s it just started. It is a common man's car. Today in 2014 कितना डिजाइन है, we have got 14 different variety of cars. 16 latest 2014 में रिलीज होगा. 16 variety of cars in Maruti है. So what we are going to be? We only created those cars. We should also change. We should have some lakshya है. We should have पहले, we should have सब सपना है. We should plan for that and we should achieve it in time bound. With what time going to? एक आदमी मेरा कंपनी में बोला था, आई एम गोइंग टू बिफोर रिटायरमेंट आई विल बाय अ न्यू, आई विल बिल्ड अ न्यू हाउस. उन्हें 20 years पहले उन्हें बोला था, I have built my house within 5 years and afterwards I went and asked him, before retirement I am going to. After 10 years I went and asked, before retirement I am going to build a house. After 15 years I went and asked him, खाली 5 साल है, आप रिटायरमेंट क्या करते हैं? क्या करना, मेरा लड़का को स्कूल फीस देना, मेरा लड़की को शादी करना, उसके लिए मेरा प्लान सब हो गया. उन्हें भी रिटायर्ड करके घर गया. So put it in action plan. By 5 years where should I be? 10 years where should I be? उसके लिए पहले हम बोला था, सब आदमी को एक इमीडिएट गोल होना, एक शॉर्ट टर्म गोल होना, एक मिडिल टर्म गोल होना, एक लॉन्ग टर्म गोल होना. When you can produce within 20-25 years the 16 variety of cars in Maruti, you can also go to higher and higher. We can become a Malik. खालिक एक 5 आदमी के काम दे डालो, ये सब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करो, वो 5 परिवार का खाना देता. So I think everyone should have some lakshya and we should achieve that. Any doubt? Any doubt? Thank you very much.